Hello everyone, a hearty welcome to my YouTube channel, The Magic of Maths. Today I have come up with a very interesting activity for you which comes in class 10th chapter circles. It is related to tangents. First of all, what is a tangent? A tangent is a line segment that touches the circle at exactly one point. That is a tangent. Now there comes a theorem related to tangents, that if there is a circle and a tangent is drawn from an external point, then how many tangents can be drawn to the circle from an external point? Can you tell? Yes, you can draw two tangents to a circle from an external point. And the theorem states that the lengths of the tangent drawn to a circle from an external point are equal. This I have shown you with the help of a diagram on a sheet of paper. This is the circle and this is the external point P. Two tangents are drawn to the circle PA and PB, and in this case the lengths of the tangents drawn to the circle are 16 centimeter each. But I cannot change the length of the tangents. In this case, my tangent's length is fixed. Another child will draw, maybe in his case the lengths are 15 centimeter or 14 centimeter. So I am going to teach you through an activity method that how can you move this circle. We will make an activity in which a circle will be moving, and in each case the length of the tangents will be different. So let's begin. For this you need a plain sheet. You can take a colored sheet and you have to make a slit in the center like this. Now how can you make a slit? Just fold the sheet into half and use a scissors and cut it from the center. Don't take it till the end. So this is the way you can make a slit in the sheet. After making a slit, you will take a transparency which is easily available from the stationery shop. Take a CD marker and a scale and cut out two strips from the transparency and markings of 1 centimeter each, and make a scale of maybe 20 centimeter or 25 centimeter. You have to cut out two strips from this transparency and you have to make markings up till 25 centimeter. Then next you will take three circles of same radius from the same colored sheet and you have to fold it into half like this. All the three circles will be folded into half. Then the method of pasting these circles is just open this circle, apply Fevistick on both these portions and paste it like this. Just this half circle on this side and this half circle on this side. And when you will open it, you will get a four-faced figure like this. So this is the four-faced figure which you will be getting. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So I can show you. Now it's the time to assemble our activity. So this is the activity which I have assembled. This is the external point P, and these two scales which I had cut out of the transparency, I have fixed them using a thin wire. This is the slit in which I have put that circle, and the best part is that this circle is moving. At the back you can just fix a sheet so that your circle doesn't comes out. So how will you prove your activity using this? So this is the circle when it's in this position. So in this case my length of the tangent in each case is 13 centimeter. You can easily see. Now in another case, I can move my circle up till this position. I can take my circle to any position and I can prove like this. In this case, the length of the tangent is 17 centimeter. So the best part of this activity is that the circle is not stagnant. The circle can be moved to any position, and in each case we can prove that the lengths of the tangents drawn to the circle from an external point P are equal. In any case, the lengths will come out to be equal and our circle is moving. So I hope you like this activity. You will try making it at your home and you will show it to your teachers and parents, and they will feel proud that our students are understanding the concepts of mathematics. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. Do like and comment in the comment section below. Hope we will meet soon in the next video.